Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for the root chakra. Work with this energy to call in stability, a strong foundation, a feeling of being grounded. You go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Focused awareness to your perineum. This is the soft spot between your genitals and your I don't know if I'm allowed to say that word on YouTube. Right at the base of the pelvic bowl, your seat. Between the sit bones. There's something about time here today. There's something about deceleration of time. And just allowing yourself the spaciousness and the time that you need to work with this energy, to ground it in, to allow yourself to decelerate, to give this time to yourself. I'm feeling that with the speed of our existence, with the speed as technology enhances everything and the schedules get compressed and we're having to race around and do a million things and absorb a lot of information and we're juggling a lot of balls, that in this next period of time, through this session, just allow yourself to breathe and decelerate and drop in to your sit bones, to your base, to your foundation. Slow it down. First of all, we're going to begin to unravel the energy that's being held here. Energy that's compacted and compressed. This is any energy that you've been holding in your physical body related to your survival, whether that's financial or in the home. If you've had to dance to the beat of somebody else's drum, if you've had to dance around somebody else's authority, way of being, if you've come from a home that was not stable, was broken, just releasing all of that energy and allowing it to drop and release and ground back into the earth and be recycled, composted, turned back into fertilizer. And now become aware of where your feet make contact with the ground. Just feel your connection to the earth beneath your feet. Feel the gravity holding you here, anchored on planet Earth. And now see the energy from your perineum dropping down, extending into the earth, and like little tendrils, sprouting roots, branches anchoring you into the earth. Take a deep breath, drop it down. This is your foundation. And as my teacher said, you can't see the view from the penthouse unless you have built up from the foundation. You have a strong foundation. So this healing is for your self-care, for the nourishment and nurturing of your own physical body, taking the time to nurture your body, taking the time to check in with your body, see how you're feeling. And as we're working this energy, if there's memories that are surfacing of discord or dysfunction or distortion in your root, just allow them to surface and dissipate and dissolve. The energy is being dissipated. It no longer serves you. Whatever you've been holding, take another deep breath. There's a beautiful, gentle, magnetic pulsing. As the old energy is drawn out, there's room and spaciousness for this magnetic, glowing pulse in your root chakra. It is beautifully anchored into the ground through your energetic roots. And we're going to say some affirmations. So say with me, I am stabilized. I am stabilized. I am stabilized. I am balanced. I am balanced. I am balanced. I walk forward with grace and ease. I walk forward with grace and ease. I walk forward with grace and ease. My foundation is strong. My foundation is strong. My foundation is strong. I am grounded into the earth. I am grounded into the earth. I am grounded into the earth. The earth receives what no longer serves me. The earth receives what no longer serves me. The earth receives what no longer serves me. And take a deep breath. And just be aware if there's, I don't know if you heard that large bang, if there is pain or any kind of violation or any kind of discord around your sexual life, around your intimacy and your relationships in that regard. You can use this healing to dissipate any trauma there, any people's energy that you no longer wish to hold on to. If it hasn't been loving or kind or consensual, just releasing this back into the earth. Calling this healing in for a reclamation of your own being so that you're in your own energy and not carrying anybody else's energy that you don't invite in by choice. And this includes if you're tangled with another financially, tangled with another in the home that is discordant. Just allowing this energy to dissipate and dissolve and ground back into the earth. And as that continues, we're going to finish with a drum. Just let your mind, your consciousness go where the drum takes you to help you to release the energy that no longer serves. Welcome back to planet Earth, people. You've been disconnected, disembodied, disassociated. You might want to watch this a few times. And to anchor in the healing, and give thanks to the angels, spirits and guides. Thank you, my loves. Yes.